Hi everyone, in this quick video we are going to give you brief demonstration of two smart study techniques that ACADS uses. Number one is flashcard technique and number two is spaced repetition. So we are going to show this through one example. So like in this last video we were studying urbanization. Otherwise we could have done this with poverty also. We can do this with any general awareness topic also, but here we were discussing about value addition material and in that data, and this is urbanization. So if you look at urbanization, we have given you around 1 2 3 4 5 data points, and there are certain points which are extra. We have classified it like that. So now how to revise it, how to memorize it, and then how to internalize it. So for this you need to go to these three horizontal dots and then practice document. Here you will get two options. Number one, practice RAM in this document with spaced repetition. Number two, practice all of them. So what is the difference between these two options that I am explaining to you? So in case of second option, that is practice all RAM, that is the bold. Here it's written all RAM. So if we are selecting this option, we are going to get all these RAMs for practicing. So now there is one question that arises, what exactly is a RAM? So all these data points is one RAM. So this sentence, it is considered one RAM, this is considered another RAM. So 4000, 5000 and all these things. So if I'm selecting ki revise all RAMs, this software is going to show me all the RAM that have all the RAMs that have been listed here, which is around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around 9 or 10 are there in number. So first I'll start with the second option. So it is also showing me that previously I finished 2 by 9 cards in the queue. So but I'll leave that and I'll start with the first only. So census towns. So let's see if I can remember. Census towns, as far as I remember, they are around 4000 in number. Minimum population, it should be 5000. Density more than 400 and more than 75% in non-agriculture. I'll see the answer. Okay, this one, all of it is correct. So what I have these options. Flip the button order. Yeah, I prefer this thing. I can ask. So suppose if I'm very good at it, then it's very easy and just show me after 7 days. Second option that I have is I recalled it partially or with significant effort. So remind remind me to revise this after 3 days. And the third is recalled with minimal effort. So it will remind me in 4 days. And suppose I am unable to recall. So ये इस ही राउंड में इसको बार बार दिखाता रहेगा unless and until I am giving this answer right. So I'll select something I am very good with it. So now coming up to the second thing. So this is part of extra. So ये इतना important नहीं है. But as far as I remember, this is I think 63. This is 42. So बचा हुआ 21. And dumped into landfills I think 43 में से 32 dump होता है. It's I am wrong here. So what I'll do, I'll mark it for immediate. So again, statutory towns, it's 2000 in number. Okay, I'm good with this. Global waste generation 6 million ton. India is 2.5%. 2.5% of 6 is 0.12 plus 0.03, 0.15. Yes, so I'm good with this. So okay, so like this we can keep revising all 9 RAMs. But coming again, going back, so we were revising data urbanization, and this is the second option where practice RAM in this document with spaced repetition. So इसमें क्या होता है, जो भी मार्क करे थे हमने, like we marked in some RAMs की remind this, remind me to revise this after 7 days, and कुछ में 3 days. So it takes into consideration that input. लाइक ये देखता है कि कितना टाइम स्पेंड हो चुका है एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग इट विल शो यू न्यू फ्लैश कार्ड. सो उसमें एक्जैक्टली 9 नहीं दिखाएगा. इट माइट शो 5, इट माइट शो 3 और डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर अर्लियर रिटेंशन. सो स्पेस रेपिटेशन ये कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया. सो द थिंग इज व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ स्पेस रेपिटेशन इज कि नंबर ऑफ कार्ड जो है वो एक्सपोनेंशियली डिक्रीज होते जाते हैं. एंड देयर इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड कि एक बार 3-4 आइटरेशंस हो जाते हैं, देन समथिंग मैजिकल हैपन्स। जो जितना भी डिफिकल्ट डेटा होता है या जितना भी डिफिकल्ट टू रिमेंबर फैक्ट्स होते हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग इंटरनलाइजिंग इन योर मेमोरी। इट कई बार सबकॉन्शियसली होता है कि लाइक एज सुन एज द फ्लैश कार्ड अपीयर, something comes from inside, this is the answer. So this is the main benefit of flashcards. I'll advise you to just try this once, and I think you'll feel the difference. Thank you.